Part 1, Intro and Tabs. This is Event Monitor. It records every C# event subscribe, unsubscribe, and invoke in play mode. No manual logging. Zero setup. I generate the demo scene from the menu. Buttons, HUD, and diagnostics samples are ready. No custom code needed. I open Window Event Monitor and turn record on. Green means the timeline is live. Log is the timeline. Subscribe, unsubscribe, and invoke rows land here. I filter by action or search by event name. Subscribers shows who listens right now. Owner type, event name, subscriber type, and method. Stats summarizes the session. Totals, hottest events, leaks, slowest invokes, and session compare. Exceptions attaches the last 20 timeline rows when Unity logs a play mode crash. Sentry-style breadcrumbs. Growth alerts warns when subscriber count keeps rising past a threshold. Missing unsubscribe detection for C# events. Part 2, Play and First Events. I press play. Subscribe rows appear as listeners attach. Button labels show the real event name underneath. Jump fires on player jump. One click, one invoke row, HUD updates. This is the basic loop. Damage sends an integer. With payload on, the invoke row shows the argument. Health bar moves on the HUD. Part 3, RE Fire. Ray Fire is manual dispatch from the window. I select an invoke row and click Ray Fire. The same payload fires again. 50 stays 50, not 0. New invoke row without replaying the scene. This is how you reproduce a bug in one click. Same on score changed. Ray Fire copies the captured argument from the selected row. QA can replay exact steps from the log. Part 4, More Demo Buttons. Die is on player died. Subscriber graph still visible in Subscribers tab. Start game resets HUD state. Invoke line shows how many handlers ran, several listeners on purpose for a rich graph. Game over updates status on the HUD. Spawn passes a string ID. Enemy count rises. Several subscribe rows per event is fan out, not a duplicate bug. Kill reverses spawn. The log tells the story in order. Live HUD mirrors the log for viewers who watch the game view only. Part 5, Time Travel and Diff. Time Travel rebuilds subscriber state at a chosen log row. Subscribers tab shows the graph at that moment. The log itself does not rewind. Diff view compares subscribers between two positions. I pin row A change listeners, then row B added and removed handlers show clearly. Run sample sequence fires an ordered burst without clicking each button. Random burst adds messy traffic. Filters still work. Part 6, Diagnostics. Create leak destroys a subscriber without unsubscribe. Stats leak shows the missing unsubscribe. Simulate subscriber growth adds listeners one by one until growth alerts fires. Timing adds duration to invoke rows and profiler markers. Spawn boss slow runs a heavy handler. Stats lists slowest events. Throw in handler raises an exception in a callback. Exceptions tab shows stack trace plus timeline context before the crash. Showcase sequence runs leaks, growth, timing, and exceptions in one ordered burst. Part 7, Sessions and Scope. Save exports the live timeline to a session file. Share repro steps with QA. Load opens the file read only. Filters, detail panel, and time travel still work. Clear exits review mode. Compare sessions loads two saved files and shows per event deltas. Invoke counts and timing regression highlighted. Assembly filters control which player assemblies get ILPP instrumentation. Narrow scope when you only care about game code. Event monitor. See every event, Ray Fire with real payloads, travel in time, diff subscribers, catch leaks, growth, slow handlers, and crashes with context. Demo scene ships in the package.